Plotting or data visualization is the oldest and most important branch of data science. And yes, there is definitely a connection between embedded systems and data science. Embedded systems often collect and process data. By graphically representing sensor data, for example, we can easily identify patterns, trends, and anomalies that may not be apparent from raw data alone. NECTO Studio has plot feature now. Let us plot some data from one of the clipboards in NECTO Studio. Showcasing the plot feature will be done by utilizing temperature and humidity clipboard. We are going to open NECTO Studio, we are going to go to code section, then we are going to select package manager feature. We are going to make sure software package for temperature and humidity clipboard is installed. Then we are going to open this software package. Cool, here it is. Now I'm going to switch to Planet Debug feature in order to connect to development board which has this clipboard on it. And then finally, I'm going to switch to plot feature window, which is providing me some hints. Now I would like to visualize temperature changes over time, basically to plot temperature time graph. In order to get the result I want, I'm going to insert this line of code. I'm going to utilize plot method. Then we're going to start debug session. We're going to run our code on microcontroller. We are starting to receive temperature data in the spreadsheet-like table. We're going to switch to chart submenu and voila, here it is. Now you're able to perform some cool modification on this chart. This modification could provide some insights about your data, which is kinda neat. One more thing and that's it. If you want to export this data into a list, a spreadsheet, you will stop the debugger, switch back to data submenu, right-click on it and select export table to CSV. NECTO Studio Plot Assistant basics explained. That will be it, guys. Until the next time.